Smart glasses have always promised to change the way we interact with technology, but the Ivality's G2 takes that promise to a whole new level. For those who remember the original G1, you'll know it was already a standout offering, a perfect balance of style, comfort, and cutting-edge tech. Now, the G2 comes back stronger, sleeker, and smarter, making wearable tech feel natural rather than intrusive. I'm Robert from the Spectacle Factory, and today we're diving into the design, features, and accessories of the G2, showing you why these might just be the ultimate smart glasses for everyday life. Opening the box immediately sets the tone. Even reality has retained its minimalist, premium packaging. Thick cardboard with understated design that makes unboxing feel special. On top is a leaflet that reads, "Enjoy undisturbed connections," a perfect summary of their philosophy. While smart glasses often distract with constant notifications, the GA2's holographic display is designed to enhance your awareness without blocking your view, keeping you present while effortlessly giving you the information you need. The welcome note from founder Will emphasizes this ethos, highlighting that these glasses are meant to quietly improve your daily life, whether during your morning commute, at work, or while socializing. Inside the box, you'll find the charging case, sleek and minimal, with an LED indicator that lights up when opened. Lifting the case reveals the glasses themselves. The first thing that hits you is the updated shield-shaped frame, which is more versatile and modern than last year's round design. The temples are now pure titanium, replacing the silicon-coated versions from the G1, housing the wiring in an ultra-thin internal circuit board for better responsiveness and fewer connection issues. Combined with the magnesium front and cleverly balanced battery packs, the G2 feels light, comfortable, and perfectly balanced on your face. Plus, with IP67 water resistance, these are some of the most durable electronic glasses available today. Of course, the real magic happens when you put them on. The holographic display is sharper, wider, and positioned closer to your natural line of sight, creating an immersive experience that feels almost tangible. A new touch control panel replaces last year's simple button system, letting you scroll, tap, and navigate menus directly on the frame. Adjusting brightness, positioning the projection, or activating quiet mode is intuitive and seamless, and pairing with the updated app gives you even more control. The G2 also comes with some exciting accessories. The Even Ring is a stylish, ceramic smart ring that doubles as a remote control for the glasses and tracks health metrics like steps, calories, sleep, heart rate variability, and blood oxygen. Then there's the custom sun clip, which easily transforms your glasses into sunglasses. Even the Reality offers multiple clip options, from gaming to driving to photochromic lenses, making the G2 adaptable to any situation. Software improvements make these glasses even more compelling. The note-taking and to-do list feature has been redesigned for efficiency, and the AI assistant is faster and smarter, allowing you to ask questions, get translations, and even access live information instantly. Thanks for integrated microphones, translations now work flawlessly in noisy environments, isolating voices from background noise and your own speech. The built-in compass ensures accurate orientation, perfect for travelers and urban explorers. Charging has been significantly improved with pin connectors, replacing the previous wireless system. Now, the glasses can charge regardless of how you fold the temples. And efficiency improvements mean the case can deliver up to 7 days of battery life, a huge leap from the G1's 2 days. Inside the case, you'll also find essentials like a USB-C cable, cleaning cloth, spare nose pads, and silicone grips for extra stability. Prescription options are also impressive. Even Reality supports ultra-fit single vision and progressive lenses, essential if you need to read and interact with your display. Remote consultations make it possible to get the perfect lenses anywhere in the world, ensuring that style and function are never compromised. One of the coolest new features is Conversate, which helps you stay engaged in conversations by giving you quick summaries of people or topics mentioned right in your line of sight. It's perfect for networking, meetings, or social situations, eliminating the awkward "who's that" moments and keeping you informed effortlessly. In short, the Ivality's G2 ISNT, just an upgraded S, a complete rethinking of what smart glasses can be. Sleeker design, stronger materials, sharper display, smarter software, and thoughtful accessories make it a device that seamlessly blends style, tech, and functionality. Whether you're after productivity, health tracking, travel convenience, or just a stylish way to stay connected, the G2 covers all bases. These aren't just glasses, they're an extension of your lifestyle. So, what do you think? Are Diavality's G2 smart glasses something you'd wear every day? Or do you see something better on the horizon? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Share this with your tech-savvy friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more reviews like this. Until next time, keep your vision sharp, your tech smarter, and your style on point.